Hi, welcome to Matt's Garage.
Let's go lift some walls.
Hop in, babe.
Ready? 1, 2. Oh, wait. We're gonna go like, sorry. We're gonna go.
Oh, my back.
We're gonna go to the hip,
Yeah,
and then I go 1, 2, 3 to the hip, and then 1, 2, 3 up.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Alright, who's got wall? I got wall! You got wall? Get wall! That's what you say when you don't want to do anything.
Oh,
When you don't want to do anything? That's when the boss man runs around like crazy.
Say I helped put up one wall.
The biggest wall. Yeah. History of walls.
it's not going anywhere. It's okay, babe. It's not going anywhere. You're like,
Got it? Don't let go.
That was awesome. How often do you get to tell somebody or even know that you literally put up a wall in your house? Lifted it up into place. Awesome.
it was okay. So that was fun. You can see the first floor walls are going up around. They're going to get these as far as they can. And then the truss company's going to come measure for the floor trusses. But there's a delay on those. They're kind of back ordered. So we'll get this up, then it'll pause for a while. I'll probably take care of some of the concrete flat work. And then once the trusses come, we'll put those up. Any questions?
No, but I'm pretty excited because you can start to get a sense of what it's going to look like when you walk through the front door.
That's right. It is very important to be here because I got caught. They forgot to put in a pocket door over there or whatever. So it's nice to catch that stuff before it goes up. And I know the project better than these guys do because we've been living it for 2 years on paper. So you've got sawdust all in your hair.
It's part of the job. It's part of the job. But you can see.
Oh, go ahead.
Sorry,
No,
I
go
just
ahead.
really am so excited.
Go ahead.
You can see that big opening, like
Yeah.
right here.
That's not a garage door. That's a window.
It looks like a garage door, right?
Yeah.
But no, it's gonna be a window.
Yeah. It's a BFW. So I'll see you. See you next time on Matt's Garage.